there was an application for a warrant of arrest against Kelly Kumalo, which was not authorized. Did I get you well in that?
Athi ke esikhathini esidlule kunala ukukhuluma khona ke ngodaba lokuthi khona ke incwadi kade wena ke uyicelile noma isicelo kade usenzile sencwadi ezokuvumela noma ezokuphilungelo lekuthizeni amaphoyisa ke besabopha uKelly Khumalo athi ngabe uzwe kahle ama akuzwile kahle ngalo daba lolo.
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo ngizwe kahle.
Thank you. Because also that information is now in the public domain. Actually, it came from you. What were the reason why that application was declined?
Athi ke lolo lwazi lolo liqhamuke nawe ke manje umbuzo ukuthi kungani isicelo sibangakaze basivume noma kungani sile banqaba ke isicelo leso.
So the first part of the question, my lord, it is not 100% correct to say it came from me. It was initiated by the late Advocate Mngomezulu during the trial within trial. And
athi lapho kumalana nephuzu lokuqala akusukuthi ulwazi luqhamuke naye. Kepha kulwazi lwaqhamuka nosele ashona noma sele angasekho ke umnumzana Advocate Mngomezulu ngesikhathi kade abuza ke imibuzo ngesikhathi kade khona ke umzila ngaphakathi komzila la enkantolo ama icala yonke ehlelwe phansi la enkantolo.
And such a statement then, my lord, was read. I read it. But I was under cross-examination by the defense of accused number 1.
Athi ke futhi ngesikhathi leso ke khona statement lapho ke safundwa ke lapho ke futhi kade bemphenya noma kade bembuza ke imibuzo emalana nodaba lwakamsola wokuqala.
And I indicated, my lord, that the reasons firstly were the issues of further investigations, which started as early as October. Subsequently, this statement that I'm talking about was in November 2014. So there were instructions that DPP felt that they should be acquired, but then subsequently the strategy of approaching the case moving forward. So it was a folded approach. It was not one. At the beginning, it was further investigations which were done, because if one looks at the time when we made a memorandum and indicating the phone numbers, and one looks, rather if you look at what was available when the memorandum was done and what was contained in the statement later for the warrant of arrest, there was more things. There were more things insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo. But during the discussion, then further investigations and certain approach were then discussed with the DPP, my lord.
My apologies, my lord. Can the witness please repeat it again?
So it was further instructions and the approach to the case, basically.
Athi lapho ke ngesikhathi kade kusenzeka lokho ke khumule khona nje athi icala leli noma mhlambi ke lapho ke udlame noma mhlambi isehlo noma mhlambi ke lapho ke yebo isehlo senzeka ngoOctober futhi ngesikhathi ngenyanga kaNovember kula kade khona kubesesha noma kade bephenya ke khona ke njalo ke icala leli ke futhi athi khona ke inqumo noma mhlambi lapho ke uhambo noma mhlambi kusesha kwecala noma mhlambi ukuphenya kwecala kade kusenziwa khona ke lapho ke futhi xa kukhona ke inkulumo ezenzeka lapho ke futhi izo ezenzayo ukuthizeni banqabe noma yebo banqabe ekuthizeni bakhiphe ke incwadi lekuthizeni uKelly Khumalo aboshwe.
Brigadier, I don't want to assume that I understand your answer now. I perfectly don't understand it.
Athi akazwisisi ke akazwisisi neze impendulo yakho phane ngayo.
Now, oh sorry, you're saying the reason why that application was declined is because of further investigation. Further instructions. In that case, the investigation was started with in 2014. I'm unable to follow the reason why this application, as per your explanation, was declined.
Athi yena ke akakhona ukuzwisisa ukuthi ngabe kungani isicelo lesi bangazange basile basinqaba bangakazi basivumele ngoba ukhuluma ukuthi khona ke inkulumo lapho ekade ikhulunyiwe noma kade uyitsheliwe lapho ke mayana nokuthi futhi nokuphenya kwecala noma nokusesha kwecala ngabe kahle kahle uthi yini ukhuluma nomnumzana.
Please make me understand.
Athi ucela ukuthi umenze azwisise
the reason why application for warrant of arrest against Kelly was declined.
Acela ukuthi lapho ke umlekelele futhi umsize ngendlela eqondile ejulile ekuthizeni umtshele izizathu ekukuthi kungani isicelo sencwadi leyo kade uyicelile ekuthizeni uKelly Khumalo ke aboshwe ukuthi bayinqabe incwadi leyo.
The language is obviously incorrect. you're using declined. The other time you used authorized. The DPPP, in terms of the law anyway, decides whether a person must be charged or not. The DPP also decides whether a warrant of arrest should be issued against a person or not. And if he doesn't do that, the policemen who have come with, to put it loosely, a recommendation, don't have any power to dissuade the DPP from doing his job. That's how I understand the law. So, the DPP, can think there's conclusive evidence that Baloyi must face charges, and the DPP refuses to charge. You've got remedies in terms of the law, which you can initiate. Like, for instance, to quote a case which is known by everybody, the case of the state versus Tint. It's been going for 20 years or 10 years, where a particular well-known individual was not charged in the initial matter. Some other person was charged, and that other person, allegedly, who were in cahoots with a person who is not charged, was sentenced to jail for I don't know how many years. And then the other person, subsequently, when there was a change of a DPP, the new DPP then charged the second person. That's how I understand the law. Am I correct in interpreting? I mean, you're a senior advocate.
Yes, in the sense that it's NDPP, not DPP.
Yeah, sorry, yeah,
There was a new
NDPP, yeah,
NDPP,
sorry.
yes.
Bese ithi
National Director of Public Prosecutions, in other words. DPP is his junior, like Du Toit and Baloyi and the doctor here.
manje kusenkantolo lapho ke kade ibukisa futhi noma kade mhlawumbe idulika lokhona ke lapho mayana nezomthetho ke abasebenza ngakho lapha kuma office wabashushisa abakhulu lana eNingizimu Afrika ke athi lapho ke iphoyisa ngeke libe sesimeni esiqondile noma esimeni esikahle ethizeni siphendule ke malana nalombuzo kade kummelweni ubuze ukuthi kungani incwadi lena ekuthizeni ukhele khumalo aboshwe ke noma isicelo sakhe sokuthi malana nencwadi kade icelile ekuthizeni ukhele khumalo aboshwe ukuthi kungani kade esele bayinqaba lapho ke ukuthi bangayivumeli incwadi leyo ke bese inkosi enkantolo yathi khona ke lapho ke iphoyisa ngeke likhona ukuthi liphendule kahle ke lapho umnomzana ubaba uGininda ngeke akhona aphendule lapho ke malana nodaba lolo ke ngoba kusiwe uthatha isinqumo ke lapho ke kepha ke ithimba noma ke ihhovisi labashushisa abakhulu ukuthi lapho ke National Director of Prosecutors nesingisi uthatha isinqumo thizeni umuntu kumele bamthuse icala noma akumele ukuthi bamthuse icala.
Is it please the court, my lord? This witness had already gave the reason why the application for the warrant of arrest against Kelly was declined.
By whom? Declined by whom? That's the point.
That doesn't matter, my lord, for me, in my cross-examination.
For me, it matters because I'm a judge. And if you say there's a person who has power to have declined a particular exigency, I must understand that language. That's why I said I let it pass when you said it was not authorized. It was declined.
Yes. Maybe just to assist the court as to who
Yeah,
did not authorize it, the
Yes.
witness can answer that.
that's it. That's different.
Yes.
Manje bacela ukwazi ukuthi ngabe ubani ke lo ongakaze avume ekuthizeni ke avume incwadi le odwa uyisenzile masicelo sakho sencwadi malana ukuthi ukhele khumalo aboshwe.
My lord, the procedure was as I've indicated. You collect the evidence, we forward it to the DPP here in Pretoria. Then decisions will be given to say indict on these ones, further investigation. That's how it unfolded, my lord.
Athi ke lapho ke isizathu salokho kukuthi yena-ke wathatha-ke ubufakazi kadanabo-ke futhi wamnikisa kumahhovisi abashushisi abakhulu noma kwithimba labashushisi abakhulu lehhovisi lana-ke ePretoria. Besathi ngemuva kwalokho bese umthetho kumele uhambe ngalana kamacala malana nalabantu.
But it was not, the correct context, my lord, that must be explained. There was no decline. We never reached a deadlock with DPP where they say, despite this evidence, we don't want to charge. There were, as I've said, there were further instructions and the approach that the DPP wanted to take in prosecuting the case. And that's not my terrain, my lord. I can't impose. I can only present what I have and take guidance from the people who will lead the case during the prosecution. But it will not be correct to say there was a refusal. There were certain discussions, but there were no position to say, despite what we see, we don't agree or we refuse. It was simply further instruction at first, and then the approach to the matter. That was my understanding of why then the Kelly Khumalo was not added.
Athi-ke lapho ngekhe athina-ke incwadi bayinqaba abakaze bayivumeka ithimba labashushisi abakhulu-ke lapho-ke kepha uyasho khona nje ngemuva kwenkulumo zabo noma ngesikhathi kade bekhulumisana khona njalo bexoxa ithimba lakhe ithimba labashushisi-ke lapho-ke labamtshela khona ekuthizeni ngoba kade besaphina-ke icala futhi bona bathatha isinqumo sokuthizeni leyo nto leyo ingenzeki mhlawumbe abaza nohlangothi ukuthi lelo daba lolo lungenzeki athi akusuye futhi yena lapho-ke akanawo umthelela walolu daba lolo.
And lastly, my lord, it will really be, I think, difficult for me and to an extent unfair if then I'm placed in a position where I must speak on behalf of the NPA, because then I don't think I have that ground. I did my part. I presented the evidence and I indicated what was discussed. I'm not sure if I'm in a position to take it further than that insofar as the decisions that the NPA take, my lord. I don't think I'm qualified to do that.
Athena-ke acabanga ukuthi usesimeni esiqondile noma esimeni esikahle ethizeni kakhulu mayelana ney'nqumo ethathwa lapho-ke ithimba labashushisi abakhulu kuhhovisi labashushisi abakhulu-ke lapho-ke ngoba-ke bona-ke basebenza ngendlela yabo ekhethekile eyaziwa yibona kuphela. Yena-ke athi akanalo ulwazi ukuthi bona basebenza kanjani uma ngaba iza kudaba lokuthi bathatheke iy'nqumo. Athi futhi akazi ukuthi isizathu yini sokuthi incwadebe ukuthi bangamniki ukuthi bangayivumi-ke lapho-ke noma bangamvumeli noma mhlawumbe bayinqabe incwadi yakhe kade ayicelile ekuthizeni naye bamthwese icala futhi mayelana ukuthi aboshwe futhi athwese icala njengokufana nabasolwa.
Those are my responses, my lord.
Athi yebo iyona-ke impendulo yakhe leyo.
Brigadier, we've mentioned the reason why it was not approved. It was for further instructions. My question was very simple. What did this mean, this further instruction? What was this further instructions for?
Bathi bakuzile-ke umbuzo-ke mnumzana obakubrigadier Gininda ukuthi kungani bengayivumile incwadi isicelo sakhe okuthizeni uKelly Khumalo naye aboshwe futhi athwese amacala njengabasolwa-ke. Besothi wena kungemuva kwey'nkulumo zenu-ke lezo ake ninazo-ke lapho-ke manje ummeli ufisa ukwazi ukuthi iy'nkulumo ziphi-ke lezo.
My lord, the procedure when you submit a docket to the DPP, you submit the docket and then you leave. You do not sit, like for instance in this situation where there are 3 advocates. I've never been in a situation where I sit with them and hear their views insofar as the decision, particularly in the decision-making process, where I'm part of it. So that's why I'm saying it's difficult for me to be placed as to why action, insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo is concerned, was taken, because I was not there. All I can say is that there were instructions for further investigation at the beginning, and then subsequently the case then it kicked off, because when I applied for the warrant of arrest, the case had already kicked off in Boksburg. In other words, the first appearance on the 27th of October had already came and gone. And the next appearance, I think, was on the 27th of November, somewhere there. So I'm not sure if I can take it further than that, my lord, insofar as the NPA position is concerned. I'm not qualified, my lord, really, with due respect.
Athi yena-ke lapho kokwenzeka ngesikhathi kade amikisa ke i-presentation kama mhlawumbe idocket lakhe kumahhovisi wethimba labashushisi abakhulu ke lapho kade yena kakaze ahlale phansi nabo futhi afune idocket nabo bese bakhulumisana ngedocket bebonkana mhlawumbe hlezi bebathathu ke lapho ke asithi mhlawumbe yena njengomholi lo kade ahola ke ithimba labaseshi bezesiphoyisa futhi nethimba labashushisi ke lapho ke athina into awayenza kuwukuthi amikise ke docket lapho ke phela bese ahambe ke lapho ke athakaza ukuthi bona ngesikhathi ade bebheke idocket ukuthi yini siphi isinqumo noma yini into ebanthe kusinqumo abasithatha ke lapho ke futhi athi ukhumbula khona nje ukuthi ngelanga la nge-27 zaka-October ngesikhathi baqedela lapho ke usearcha icala malana nalo muntu othizeni ke lapho ke kade sele abasola bavele sebeqhamukile ngaphambi kwenkantolo yaseBoksburg ngelanga la nge-27 zaka-October futhi athi acabanga khona nje ukuthi mhlawumbe baqhamuka ngaphambi kwenkantolo futhi ngelanga la nge-27 zaka-November khona lapho akanaso isiqiniseko selanga lesibili ngesikhathi ade nivela ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo.
And the instruction, my lord, for further investigations insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo was really the instruction that said find more evidence to connect Ms. Kelly Khumalo to the accused in this matter. It was just around that, my lord.
Athi futhi malana nenkulumo ke yaqhamuka ekuthizeni ngesikhathi kade bemtshela akahamba ayophenyisa isicala noma mhlawumbe enze kokuphenya kwecala kahle ngendlela eqondile futhi endlela ejulile kade bamtshela ukuthi yena ke noma mhlawumbe inkulumo kade ihambisana kulolu daba noma kade ihamba ngalolu hlangothi lokuthi kumele ukuthi ahambe ayophenya icala lakhe kahle ngendlela ejulile futhi ngendlela eqondile ke bese abuye athole ukuthi ngabe yini exhumanisa uKelly Khumalo futhi nabasolwa kuleli cala leli.
That's my response, my lord.
Athi yona ke impendulo yakhe anayo leyo.
Thank you, Brigadier. At least the final point, it sounds more intelligent. The instruction that came from the office of the DPP was to the effect that go find more evidence to connect Kelly to the accused person, and therefore on those bases, we won't authorize, we won't authorize that a warrant of arrest against her should be issued.
Athi lapho ke uyabonga ke babu brigadier Kininda ngoba impilo yakhe impilo ehlakaniphile le impilo yogcina ukhulumile athi lapho kusubatshela ukuthi wena ke hamba uyothola ufakazi obuqondile futhi ufakazi lobo obuxhumanisa ke abasola bonkana futhi noKelly Khumalo ngaphambi kokuthi ke ithimba labashushisa abakhulu noma ihhovisi abashushisa abakhulu ke lapho ke bavume mana nesicelo sakho sencwadi yakho ekuthizeni uKelly Khumalo naye aboshwe.
I'm listening, my lord.
Athi yebo ngilalele.
Now, in other words, that which you had presented to the office of the DPP, with which you are trying to link Kelly Khumalo to the commission of these offenses here, the DPP looked at it and found that it had it's something that they cannot use to drag Kelly or to frog-march Kelly into the court.
As a court, please, my lord. I really fail to understand this line of cross-examination. The witness has repeatedly said he doesn't know what the reasons are, why the office, the DPP took this particular decision, and we submit, my lord, that it's unfair now to ask this question to the witnesses. He already said he can't take it further than that. As a court,
Maybe the state is listening to another evidence here. The witness says, I cannot take it further than that.
I think these acerbic and obnoxious comments from my learned friends should now come to a stop. I think he should just carry on with his work without having to make these ad hominem attacks.
This witness says, I'm unable to take it further than that. But because he's such an laborious person, he finally comes to a point where he says that he was instructed to go find more evidence to connect Kelly to the accused persons. That is the reason why I am saying that apparently the state is listening, it's not listening to the same evidence that we're listening to here. Whether that is acerbic or what, it's for him to make that judgment. but I'm meticulously listening to this witness, which is the reason why I am then saying, Brigadier Kininda, thank you very much, because at least what you have just said in the last part of your answer makes sense. That the DPP said to you, we are unable to authorize that warrant of arrest because what you have brought to us now is insufficient. Can you please go and find more evidence in order to connect Kelly Khumalo to this accused person? It came from this witness. So what is ASEBIC there? But in any event, let me proceed.
Now the ASEBIC,
Let me proceed, my lord.
it's not what you are saying, it's what your comment is.
That the state is not listening to the same evidence.
Yeah.
Exactly, my lord, because I do not expect such an objection from
You
my
know what?
colleague.
You guys have
or-
lectured
or
you.
of such a
sorry,
senior
sorry,
level.
Mr. Mnisi. I've lectured you on the discourse of court proceedings.
Yes.
I actually read how you mustn't address each other. That's why I'm keeping quiet now. That's why I'm keeping quiet.
I think it's best for the court, my lord, to keep
Yeah,
quiet.
because
Yes.
I've
Because then the-
realized that
Yes.
some councils here,
Yes.
they don't care about etiquette, the etiquette and the decorum of court. He's listening to another case. That's why he's taking offense. Because he's
Exactly, my
only
lord.
listening to this case. And if you interpret that he's listening to another case, somebody angathi udakiwe mos.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't know.
no interpretation. The
I don't know,
interpretation.
I don't
If
know,
he's
I
listening to
don't
another
know.
case and he's sitting
All-
here with me for 5 hours a day, then there's something wrong with him. That's how he interprets it. You can ask him.
My lord, the fact that somebody would say he's drunk, that doesn't come from me.
Yes.
It didn't come from me. I am only making that submission
You must,
simply
you
because.
must analyze the word asebic. Analyze it. Fine. Let's continue.
We can have a dictionary, my lord. that
No,
we can
I don't.
analyze
Me, I
this.
know. I don't know the dictionary. You can
Okay,
check
then
it.
I do not know it.
Yeah, fine.
Yes. But the fact of the matter is, at least this witness ultimately, painfully so, he mentioned that ultimately the office of the DPP told him to go find more evidence against Kelly Khumalo in order to tie her in this case. And thank you very much for that, sir.
My lord, I think I'm being quoted out of context. I've said that part and I've said it proper, so perhaps let me then start again. I said prior to the appearance of this accused, Ms. Kelly Khumalo was part of the people based on the evidence that we had, which I was of the view that she should be arraigned with the accused. We then,
Athi-ke ufakazi ngixolisa baba ngixolisa. Athi-ke ufakazi lapho-ke yena-ke abamzwile kahle futhi ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe lolu daba lolu alidikide ngendlela elandelayo mhlawumbe alusho ngale ndlela elandelayo. Athi ngaphambi kokuthi abasolwa baqhamuke ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo kade-ke analo-ke ulwazi oluthizeni ulwazi lolo-ke kade luxhumanisa ukhili futhi nabasolwa kepha-ke ngesikhathi beqeda uvela ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo.
so in essence, my lord, I'm saying when we made the first memorandum presenting the evidence which involved this accused, same was done insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo, and the same desire to have her arraigned was placed there at the beginning. That is now prior to the first appearance and the issuing of indictment.
Athi ngaphambi kokuthi bayowenza bona-ke lapho-ke memorandum yabo noma memorandum yokuqala kade lokhu lohlelo abalenza mayelana nabasolwa ilolu abalenza futhi mayelana noKelly Khumalo ngaphambi ukuthi abasolwa bovela ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo.
Indictment came with the 5 accused, and that is where the instructions for further investigation insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo to add this accused then came as a response insofar as she is concerned.
Athi-ke lapho-ke khona-ke umbhalo mhlawumbe noma incwadi yaqhamuka lapho-ke incwadi le eqhamuka kwithimba noma kwihhovisi labashoshisi abakhulu-ke lapho-ke la ibhala khona-ke amacala ekuthosa kubona-ke abantu futhi namagama wabasolwa-ke lapho-ke athi kuleyo ncwadi le kade kubhalwe-ke abasolwa abahlanu nje kuphela-ke bese ngemuva kwalokho bamtshela-ke lapha kwihhovisi labashoshisi abakhulu ekuthizeni akahambe okwenza-ke ophenya icala noma osesha-ke icala ekuthizeni athole lokhu kade kumele ukuthi akuthole kuxhumanisa phakathi kwabasolwa abasola futhi noKelly Khumalo.
That was done, my lord, which resulted now in the application, the statement that we're referring to, that we needed to arrest Ms. Kelly Khumalo in November 2014.
Athi lokho kwenziwa futhi manje nesicelo lesi wasenza ke kade kungumnyaka kaNovember ngo-20 2014 ngenyanga kaNovember ngesikhathi wathola incwadi leyo ukuthi acela incwadi ukuthi ke bamthwese noma aboshwe.
And this is the part, my lord, I'm referring to say it will be now unfair, and I'll be placed in a difficult position where I must now indicate why a decision insofar as that was not taken by the DPP, because I can't speak on behalf of the DPP. Instructions were given, followed, complied, but I do know that the strategy, as the matter was already enrolled, and I want it to be clear, my lord, that what was clear, there was no denial or refusal that the DPP wants to pursue, want to proceed against Ms. Kelly Khumalo. But the difficulty is, I can't speak on behalf of the DPP, my lord. I followed the instructions, presented the evidence, and I think if this issue must be taken further, perhaps someone from DPP can deal with it, my lord. To place me there in that position, I think is really, because like I said, I don't sit in the decision-making situation. I don't have that authority, my lord.
Athi ke lapho ke na ke manje silibambeka ngaphansi kwesimo ke esicana ngaphansi kwesimo esinzima ke lapho ke ngoba thina angeke yakhona ukuphendula ke ihhovisi lethimba labashushisi uma ngabe thatha ke inqumo ekuthizeni ngabe kungani bathatha isinqumo basithatha sokuthi na ke uKelly Khumalo angaqhaqhamuke phambi kwenkosi enkantolo nabasola laba ke futhi athi ngesikhathi ade bemtshela lokho ke icala leli beselivele selifakiwe ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo inkantolo encane.
So that's how far I can take it, my lord. What I wanted to correct is the insinuation that the part of the further investigation came last. It's not the other way. It's the other way around. Memorandum, indictment comes on the 5 accused. Further instructions comes insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo is concerned. That investigation was done and presented.
Athi lapho ke memorandum wayenza lapho ke ngemuva uthenze memorandum yakhe lapho bese kwabuya ke indictment esho ukuthi ile paper le noma mhlawumbe le ncwadi lena ke ebhalwa ke amacala abathweswa ke abantu futhi nenkantolo la bazovela ngaphambi kwayo futhi negama ke labasola kathi ngesikhathi bekathola ke incwadi leyo ke kade igama la Kelly Khumalo lingekho ngaphakathi kole incwadi leyo ke kepha amagama kade akhona ke amagama abasola bonkana laba abahlanu abavela ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo esikhathini samanje kethe ngemuva kwalokho kulabamtshela khona ukuthi na ke akahambe ayokwenza futhi umsebenzi wakhe futhi ngendlela ejulile ethizeni aphenye ukuthi noma mhlawumbe aseshe ukuthi ngabe yini exhumanisa uKelly Khumalo futhi nabasola.
That's my response, my lord.
You saying, Brigadier, November 2014. I heard you saying that. November 2014 is almost a month after the death of the deceased. Were you already an investigating officer then?
Bathi ngizokhuluma ngenyanga kaNovember ngomnyaka 2014. Ukhumbule khona njalo ngoNovember ngomnyaka 2014 bengemuva nje kwesikhathi senyanga eyodwa ngemuva kokushona kukamufi. Ngabe ngizwe kahle yini Fakazi?
No. I think I made a mistake, my lord. That is why I said the accused made the first appearance on the 27th of October. The year should have been 2020, and the November I'm referring to is the one of 2020. So there was an error on my side, my lord.
Athi lapho ucabanga ukuthi wenze iphutha lapho ke ngoba ke abasolwa ke ngesikhathi bevela ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo encane kade noma ngaphansi kwenkantolo encane ke lapho ke kade ku-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020 nathi ngoba athi 2014 lapho kwathi wenze iphutha.
Let us put this item at rest, Brigadier. The directive that you got from the DPP's office with regard to the fact that the warrant of arrest against Kelly could not be authorized is because they were requesting you to go find more evidence to connect Kelly to the 5 accused. So, in short.
Bathi nje ngokunciphile baba usho ukuthi ngesikhathi kade uthola ke lapho ke inkulumo eqhamuka ku-office lethimba labashushisi abakhulu kukuthi bacela ukuthi wena ke uhambe uyosesha icala. Uma usesha icala bese uthola ke ufakazi obuxhumanisa uKelly Khumalo futhi nabasola bobahlanu laba abavela ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo athi akusinjalo yini?
That was the instruction at the beginning, my lord, and that instruction was complied with. Hence, I'm saying in November 2020, there was then this application which contained more evidence that we had prior to the presentation, or that we had when we presented the memorandum.
Athi yebo khona ke kunjalo kepha la ukwenza ngomnyaka 2020 kepha ngesikhathi kusenzeka lokho ke kula kade naye kade sekamikisile ipresentation futhi kungemuva kokuthi bekavele anolwazi oluningi futhi ulwazi olujulile.
Now, you are saying subsequent to this first directive that you need to go get more information to connect Kelly to the to the accused, you complied with those instructions and returned the case docket to the office of the DPP. Is that what you're saying?
Athi ngabe usho ukuthi ngemuva ukuthi kutholeke inkulumo lokuthi hamba uyokusesha icala noma uyophenya icala lakhe lapho ke
Yes.
leli bese uthola ulwazi oluxhumanisa ke uKheli Khumalo futhi nabasola bobahlanu labaqhamuka phambi kwenkosi yenkantolo. Athi usho ukuthi ngemuva kade umikisa lolu lwazi bonalo dokhethi kwena.
No. What I'm saying is, the office of the DPP says to Brigadier Kininda, at this moment, we are unable to allow the authorization of the warrant of arrest against Kelly Khumalo because we want you to go and find more evidence to connect Kelly Khumalo to the accused. That's all they say.
Isilungiso ke lapho ke bathi umnumzana ubaba Brigadier Gininda bamtshela ukuthi ethimba laba le office abashisa abakhulu ukuthi akahambe ke athole ulwazi lokho oluningi futhi olujulile oxhumanisa abasola bobahlanu ke futhi noKheli Khumalo ngaphambi ukuthi bavume mayelana nodaba lencwadi yakhe yesicelo ekuthi zina ke aboshwe.
Now, is he then saying, subsequent to this instruction, he went out and did further investigation and then remitted that case back to the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions?
Bathi ke ngemuva kwale nkulumo shuthi wena ke wahamba wasesha icala noma mhlawumbe waphenya icala bese ngemuva kwalokho babuya futhi wamikisa edokete kuthimba labashushisa abakhulu.
Because I heard him saying that those instructions were complied with.
Ngoba athi uzwe usithi inkulumo yabo wayisala emuva bese wenza njengoba kade utsheliwe.
Yes, my lord. As I indicated, it was a prosecutorial-driven investigation. The directive for further investigation came from the office of the DPP. Once that was done, the presentation was made to the same office because that was the prosecuting authority. I couldn't take it elsewhere because you get directives in that office.
Athi yebo khona ke kunjalo ngoba ukhumbule khona njalo lapho ke yena kuthola ke inkulumo futhi ade besebenzisana ithimba leziphoyisa labaseshi emathimba yebo ithimba labashushisi futhi ithimba leziphoyisa kade besebenzisana ndawonye ke lapho ke athi yebo walalela futhi inkulumo yabo kuthizena akahambe othola ke ulwazi olugcwele noma mhlawumbe aseshe icala ngokugcwele. Athi ngemuva kwalokho siwamikisa lokho ade akutholile futhi lapho ke nakazi ukuthi isinqumo uma sithathwa lapha basatha ngaphansi kwezihlalo ezinjani ke noma ngaphansi kwesimo esinjani ngoba lapho ke akasebenzi khona ke futhi uma abashushisi bethatha inqumo yena akakho lapho.
Yeah, no, I hear that. And then, subsequent to this later submission of the case docket by yourself to the office of the DPP, then the office of the DPP came with a final decision on who must be indicted and on who must not be indicted, not so?
Bathi ke futhi ngemuva kokuthi wena ke umikise ke submission yakho mhlawumbe umikise ke ulwazi lakho ngemuva kwesikhathi ke lapho ke usho ukuthi ithimba labashushisi bathatha isinqumo sokuthi ubani kumele athweswe icala nokuthi ubani kungamele athweswe icala akusenjalo yini?
No, it's not like that. It's incorrect, my lord.
Athi cha akukho njalo akulona iqiniso lelo.
The first submission was made prior to October 2020. That submission included Ms. Kelly Khumalo.
Athi lapho ke ngesikhathi bekayimikisa ipresentation yakhe nomhlanje submission yakhe lokho kwenzeka ngaphambi komnyaka ka2020 futhi lapho ke noKheli Khumalo kade akhona ngaphakathi kwe-submission yakhe futhi iqokethiwe igama lakhe lapho ke.
Now, in response to that submission, my lord, an indictment that we referred to yesterday, the BNG1, dated 22 October 2020 was given, and in that indictment, these accused were people that were choosing to say you can proceed with the 5 accused on the following charges, which is what we referred to yesterday on BNG1, my lord.
Athi lapho ke ngesikhathi beka lapho ke ethola lokho ke abathi BNG1 ngomnyaka ngelanga la nge22 zaka October ngomnyaka 2020 ngesikhathi bekathola ke incwadi leqhamuka kuthimba le office abashushisa abakhulu kula watshela khona ke malana nodaba lencwadi lapho ke ibhaliwe khona ke ethizeni kumele aqhubeke necala lakhe malana nalabantu abalandelayo ke abahlanu abavela phambi kwenkesenkantolo kumanje.
The warrant of arrest, my lord, affidavit was made by me, and then it was authorized on the 23rd of October 2020 for all 5 accused, warrants of arrest.
Athi
were
lapho-
issued.
Athi lapho-ke bani incwadi ukuthi-ke abasola baboshwe-ke lapho-ke incwadi leyo bayivuma futhi bese bayikhipha-ke ngelanga lange-23 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020, 2020. Ngomnyaka ka-2020-ke lapho-ke mayelana nabasola bobahlanu laba abaqhamuka phambi kwenkesenkantolo kumanje.
Insofar as Ms. Kelly Kumalo, further instructions were given to say, go and do further investigation on at that stage, my lord.
Athi futhi mayelana nodaba lwakaKelly Khumalo kulapho kwaqhamuka khona-ke inkulumo ekuwukuthi yena-ke akahambe ufakazi ayosesha icala ngokugcwele futhi ngokujulile mayelana nodaba lwakaKelly Khumalo.
The accused before court were notified of these charges. Notice of rights were given to them on the 26th of October 2020, and on the 27th of October 2020, they made the first appearance in Boksburg Magistrate Court. That is October now, 2020.
Athi-ke futhi uMajobele ngingazela kathi ngelanga lange-26 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020 kula khona-ke naboshwa ngalo-ke bese mqeda uboshwa nafundela amalungelo enu. Ngemuthi imfundela amalungelo enu bese ngelanga elilandelayo ilanga lange-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020 bese naqala navela ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo okokuqala ngaphansi kwenkantolo yase-Boksburg.
Now, subsequent to that, my lord, instructions or the instructions for further investigations were being conducted by me and the team. Then in November of 2020, after collecting more evidence, this docket now, this is the part we are referring to, the second part, was then submitted again with the evidence and the proposal that Kelly should now be added. This is now the second time around insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo is concerned.
Athi-ke malana nodaba lwakaKelly Khumalo ngenyanga kaNovember-ke ngomnyaka ka-2020 ngesikhathi bekamikisa-ke ingxenye yosesha kwecala lakhe yena-ke nethimba lakhe kade besesha khona-ke mayelana nodaba lwakaKelly Khumalo mayelana nolwazi kade belitholile lapho-ke kulaba alimikisa khona-ke bese bacela ukuthi uKelly Khumalo abamjobelele kulabasola bamfake.
So that's what happened, my lord. So the matter in essence was already enrolled when I complied with the instructions of further investigation from Ms. Kelly Khumalo.
Athi lapho-ke yiyona-ke indlela ekwenzeka ngayo-ke izinto-ke lapho-ke futhi yena wayilalela inkulumo kade bemtshele yona-ke ethimba lehhovisi abasheshisi abakhulu bese wesala-ke emuva wenza njengoba kade bemtshelile.
Thank you, Brigadier. I just want to make assurances doubly sure that I follow what you're saying. In brief, you submitted this docket and your memorandum to the office of the DPP where you also recommended that Kelly Khumalo must be charged, not so?
Athi-ke ngokunciphile yona-ke wasubmitha idokhethi leli-ke kwithimba lehhovisi abasheshisi abakhulu-ke bese wacela ukuthi uKelly Khumalo abamjobelele nabamfake lana kulabasola kusenjalo.
That's correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
The DPP went through that memorandum and a case docket and decided to indict the 5 accused that are before court here and gave you instructions to go get more evidence to connect Kelly to or with these 5 accused persons.
Athi lapho-ke kushuthi ithimba labasheshisi abakhulu bese bakunika-ke lapho i-indictment noma incwadi bayibiza ukuthi indictment incwadi leyo-ke ibhalwe amagama abasola futhi amacala abathwesa bona-ke futhi ngemuva kwalapho bese bakutshela ukuthi wena hamba uyokwenza uphenya kwecala lakho mayelana noKelly Khumalo uthole ulwazi olumxhumanisa nabasola bonkana kusenjalo.
My lord, further instructions were given insofar as Ms. Kelly Khumalo.
Athi lapho-ke khona-ke inkulumo abamtshela yona-ke mayelana nodaba lwakaKelly Khumalo.
Yes. Some of which are go find more evidence to connect Kelly Khumalo with these accused persons in the commission of the offense, not so?
Bathi mayelana nenkulumo-ke lapho okade betshele yona-ke ithimba labasheshisi abakhulu kuwukuthi thola ulwazi olujulile noma ulwazi oluningi ulwazi lolo okuzoba ufakazi mayelana nokuxhumana kwabasolwa abaqhamuka phambi kwesenkantolo futhi noKelly Khumalo mayelana naso lesigameko lesi akusenjalo.
Yes, that could have been part of it, but it was basically to obtain evidence, my lord, that will link it to the offense.
Athi yebo lokho kade kuzohambisana nalokho kepha bekuwukuthi sitholeke ufakazi obuxhumanisa-ke obuxhumana nobunye ufakazi esinabo kulicala.
Thank you. Now, in the meantime, warrant of arrest will authorize against these 5 accused now.
Athi-ke ngesikhathi leso kwesakhipha-ke incwadi ukuthi-ke abasola bonkana laba abahlanu-ke ababoshwe.
That is correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
The warrant of arrest were executed and ultimately they made their first appearance in Boksburg somewhere in in 27 October 2020, not so?
Bathi lapho-ke ngemuva ukuthi bakhiphe incwadi ethize-ke abasola ababoshwe incwadi le ngemuva bayikhiphe bese nayisala emuva na incwadi leyo bese nabathola abasola nababopha-ke ngemuva ukuthi abasola ababoshwe ukuthi baqala bavela ngaphambi kwenkantolo-ke encane yase-Boksburg-ke lapho-ke ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020 akusinjalo?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. And then around November, you then took, now I don't know whether you wrote another memorandum, but then you then took the case docket that you were investigating with whatever that you would have unearthed subsequent to the indictment of this accused person and the instruction that you got from the DPP. You took it back to the office of the DPP to decide whether or not Kelly must be indicted, not so?
Bathi lapho kona umikisa-ke futhi akazi mhlawumbe angathi idocket noma indictment ngesikhathi bohamba ngonyanga kaNovember ngomnyaka ka-2020 uya lapho kuhhovisi abashushisi abakhulu mayelana nolwazi ade ulutholile bese wacela ukuthi wena uKelly Khumalo abamfake kulabasola mhlawumbe bamjobelele kulabasola akusinjalo yini?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Would that be the time when you made an application for a warrant of arrest?
Bathi ngabo yisona-ke isikhathi leso la kade wena-ke wenza incwadi yesicelo sokuthi uKelly Khumalo akaboshwe?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. And that was in November 2020.
Bathi lokho ngabe kwenzeka ngenyanga kaNovember ngomnyaka ka-2020?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. And the trial at the High Court commenced when in 2023, before the Honorable Judge Judge Maumela, that is in 2022. Yeah, I'm not so sure. I was not yet. Oh, in 2022. Thank you.
Bathi-ke ngesikhathi-ke icala behlelile phansi ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo noma ngaphambi kwenkantolo ephakeme kade kumnyaka ka-2022 futhi inkosi enkantolo kade Judge Maumela akusinjalo?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
And up until that moment, a decision had not yet been made by the office of the DPP to charge Kelly or not.
Bathi-ke futhi ngaso lesikhathi leso isinqumo kade singakaqhamuki kuba kwithimba labashushisi abakhulu ekuthizeni bathwese uKelly Khumalo amacala noma bangamthwesi amacala akusinjalo?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
And this is despite the fact that you had, November 2020, placed the information that was contained in the docket against her. That's now the new information that you received, not so?
Futhi ngaphandle kokuthi wena kade umikiseke ulwazi olusha kade unalo-ke ngenyanga kaNovember ngomnyaka ka-2020 ngabe akusinjalo yini?
Yes, I did submit the docket in November 2020, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo ngalimikisa mina-ke idocket ngenyanga kaNovember ngomnyaka ka-2020.
Thank you. Now, we're in a position, or we're in a situation where the 5 accused we're in a position where the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions takes a decision and say, let us indict these 5 accused persons who are now appearing here at court. But with regard to Kelly, let us see if there's information that will come up for us to be able to give out an instruction to indict her. But for now, we do not indict her.
Bathi manje athi ummeli manje singaphansi kwesimo-ke isimo lisihamba ngale ndlela elandelayo. Isimo sakhona ukuthi ithimba lehhovisi abashushisi abakhulu e-National Director of Prosecution ukuthi bathi bona-ke asithwese abasola abahlanu amacala bese-ke uKelly Khumalo nasime kancane ngayo.
Please, my lord. I think counsel is saying that with the greatest respect is misconceiving the evidence of the witness. The witness has confined his response not only to the evidence but also to strategy, which counsel doesn't touch upon. The witness has said it also boils down to question of strategy, so it's not only about the evidence.
My lord, I can talk about what is before this court. I can speak about what is before this court. Before this court, the 5 accused persons that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions decided to indict. But in the memorandum and the case docket, we know, in terms of the evidence of this witness, that he recommended that Kelly Khumalo must also be charged. Then the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution says, no, we are unable to issue that directive now because we want you to go get more evidence against Kelly to connect her against these individuals. It will be very imprudent of me to start to talk about strategies. This court is not concerned about strategies, it's concerned about what is before him now. And I can only confront this witness about what is before this court. And before this court are these 5 accused persons, and what is also before this court is what this witness has said about Kelly. Thank you.
And if I may respond to that, my lord, the issue pertaining to Ms. Kelly Khumalo, it's a collateral issue. And the law is very clear. An answer to a collateral issue should put that issue to rest. It doesn't help to pursue that issue over and over again. Council might not like the answer, but that's what the law says. It's a collateral issue, and the answer to that issue should put that matter to rest. There's no point in flogging the issue, over and over again.
As it please the court, my lords, there's nothing wrong that I'm doing in what I'm doing now. I am simply summarizing contextually the testimony of this witness here. This witness come up with the fact that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions gave him further instructions to go get more evidence to connect Kelly with these 5 accused persons here. This witness further told this court that as a result of that, the warrant of arrest against Kelly could not be authorized. This witness told this court that in November, he again took back that case docket to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. But up until now, the position as is that Kelly is not one of the accused persons that are before court here. What is not worth pursuing in terms of that picture, my lord? I will floge this horse until it comes up or it gets alive.
What? You're going to do what?
The state says it is no use flogging something which is not there.
Flogging?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes. I remember, my lord, I'm from Mandleto High School. The teachers who taught us English, they would say words in isiZulu, and they say in English, this is the word. Yes. These things of how to pronounce words, they were not there. Although we knew that sometimes when we would go to debate there outside, we would say there's no master of pronunciation. Yes, we grew up knowing that there's no master of pronunciation. You see. So when I say floge, it should be understood in the context of what my colleague was saying. Yes. So he says there's no use in flogging or in flogging what is not there. And my response to him is, if it needs be, I'll keep on flogging and flogging and flogging up until such time that the horse comes alive. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Now, that is the mosaic. That is the complete picture that we have now presented on your preparation of the memorandum, your submission of your memorandum and the case docket to the court, and the processes that went through the decision-making by the state, who had to be indicted and who had not to be indicted, in summary.
Athi-ke uma iqedela-ke inkulumo yakho noma uma iqedela futhi ayisho njengesithombe esigcwele kuwukuthi mayelana nolwazi kade-ke unalokho kuwena wathatha konke lokhu kade unako-ke bese wahamba nako wakupresenta ngaphambi kwabashushisi noma ngaphambi kwethimba labashushisi abakhulu-ke bese ngemuva kwalokho wathola-ke i-indictment kusho ukuthi i-indictment ile eshoyo ukuthi kumele ukuthi abasolwa kube abobani futhi kwakuthi abasolwa kube abobani futhi namacala abawathwesa ukuthi kumele kube amacala awaphi-ke lapho-ke noma kumele ukuthi kube amacala maphi.
Yes, in essence, that's what happened, my lord.
Athi yebo njengogcwele yilokho okwenzeka.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now, Brigadier, you had read into record the outcome of the decision of the Director of Public Prosecutor in respect of the memorandum and the case docket that you submitted. You read here that exhibit, I don't know, exhibit 22, you reread it into the record, and you also referred to this court to the instructions that were attached in the statement as BNG1. So,
Athi-ke baba khona-ke la kade ufunda khona-ke izolo ukhumbule khona njalo mayelana nesinqumo esaqhamuka kuthimba labashushisi abakhulu futhi mayelana nenkulumo kade bekutshela yona ukuthi kumele ukuthi lapho bathwese bani icala athi lapho-ke le nkulumo kade uyifunda ngaphansi kwekhasi laka-BNG1 akusinjalo?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjalo?
I'm sorry, my lord, just been corrected here. It's not exhibit 22, this handwriting. It's actually being said that it is exhibit ZZ, not 22. But
Bathi-
when you look at it, it looks like 22. Not so, Mr. Ramusiki. It looks like 22. Yeah. Thank you.
athi lapho-ke uyaxolisa nje silungise esincane kuwukuthi umbukiso lo ingakona kumbukiso ka-22 amashumi amabili anesibili kepha umbukiso lo uZZ2.
Thank you, madam. Now we know that in terms of that decision, number one, the DPP says to you, Mr. Kininda, thank you for your investigation.
Athi manje siyazi-ke ukuthi malana nodaba lakho olukhona lapho kuwukuthi ithimba lehhovisi labashushisi bathi bakubonga babugininda malana nokusesha kwecala.
Now we have come to the concerted view, to the considered view that Mr. Sibia, Mr. Ntanzi, Mr. Nube, Mr. Mapisa, and Mr. Ntuli should be indicted for trial in the High Court of South Africa.
Lapho kade afuna khona-ke amagama-ke wasola waqhamuka ngaphambi abavela ngaphambi kusenkantolo lapho-ke umnumzana uSibiya, umnumzana uNtanzi, umnumzana uMncube ukuthi futhi noMaphisa ukuthi bona ngibona kumele ukuthi baqhamuke ngaphambi kusenkantolo.
Now, there's nothing wrong with that decision.
Athi akukho okungalungile mayelana nesinqumo sabo.
Now, the DPP has got all the prerogative, the discretion, the powers to take such a decision.
Athi lapho-ke ihhovisi labashushisi abakhulu-ke banawo wonke-ke amandla noma banako ngaphansi komthetho ekuthiziye masithathe isinqumo noma isiphi abasifuna-ke.
Do you still follow thus far?
Athi ngabe usangilandela nje namanje?
Yes, I do follow, my lord.
Thank you, sir.
Athi yebo ngizakuzwa.
Now, further to that, the DPP says, Brigadier Kininda, this is just the first step. The second step is, let us identify what charges must we then bring against them for them to go and face at the High Court.
Athi-ke lelo-ke uhambo lokuqala bese-ke uhambo lwesibili-ke lapho kuwukuthi ngabe babuza ukuthi ngabe iwaphi-ke amacala ekuthi sibathwese wona-ke ngaphambi kokuthi bahambe bovela ngaphambi kusenkantolo ephakeme.
Now,
Excuse me, my lord,
Yes.
just to come in there. I don't think that was discussed with me. I was not part of the decision making, even in terms of the charges. I may have known murder,
Yes.
it's a straightforward, but to say, let us discuss that we go for these charges, I was not part of that. All I know is further instructions and the strategy that the NPA said they will adopt at a later stage. But with regard to decision-making and charges, I was not part of that, my lord.
Athi-ke lapho-ke shwele nje kancane baba umnisi noma mnumzane umnisi kunalapha nokuthi angenele khona-ke kuwukuthi ithimba lehhovisi yabashushisi ngesikhathi bethatha-ke isinqumo khona-ke lapho sokuthi nabasolwa babathwesa amacala amaphi-ke lapho kade angekho lapho-ke futhi kade angeyongxenye yawo umhlangano lawo-ke kepha thina bakazi nje ngecala lokuqala ukuthi icala lokubulala nje kuphela leli kade bebathwesa lona.
Thank you. You're right, Brigadier. But when I say the DPP says to Brigadier Kininda, this and that, I do not literally mean that you were seated this side, the DPP is seated this side and is communicating with you. I don't know whether they're calling what I'm saying, it's a metaphor or I don't know, but I'm just trying to express it in a way as if the DPP is talking to you, although I know they did not speak to you.
Athi-ke lapho uyazi ukuthi ithimba labalovisi abashushisi abakhulu abakaze bakhulume nawe ngesikhathi bethatha-ke isinqumo lapho-ke futhi kade azama nje ukubikisa ukuthi yena-ke futhi wagcina bekutshela ukuthi kumele ukuthi wenze ini futhi akasho ukuthi wena ngabe kade ukhona-ke ngesikhathi ngesikhathi ade behlanganele endaweni eyodwa-ke ngaphambi kokuthi athathe isinqumo lapho-ke ukuthi mhlawumbe kade uhlezi ehlangothini isandla sokunxele noma ehlangothini isandla sokudla kepha-ke bekazama nje ukwenza nje isibukiso lapho noma mhlawumbe isibonelo nje esincane.
I understand, my lord.
Athi yebo ngiyazwisisa.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now it takes me back to Mandletu. I know this aspect of what I'm doing now. They exactly taught me, but with a lapse of time, I think I might have, I'm missing what is it that it was actually being referred to, you see, but it is definitely there. There I can't fault them, they taught me this. But thank you very much for your understanding. So we together, when I say, don't take this literally as if they were speaking to you, not so.
Athi yabonga ngokuthi niyazwisisana futhi ngabe nihamba ekhasini elilodwa noma mhlawumbe uhlangothini olulodwa-ke uma wena ungayithathi le nkulumo ngongathi wena-ke kade ukhona lapho-ke baba uGininda futhi ukukhulumisana bomathupha.
I understand, my lord.
Thank you, sir.
Athi yebo ngiyazwisisa.
Now, the office of the DPP says to Brigadier Kininda, having decided on the identity of the people that we need to indict based on the evidence that is there in the docket, now we need to decide what charges should they go and face at the High Court.
Athi-ke manje ngemuva kwesikhathi-ke lapho kusho ithimba lehhovisi abashushisi abakhulu bahlezi phansi babuke idokhethe futhi nepresentation yakho bese bathatha isinqumo sokuthi ngabe kahle kumele abasolwa kwabathwesa amacala waphi-ke ngaphambi kokuthi abasolwa baqhamuke phambi kwenkosi yenkantolo ephakeme.
I'm following, my lord.
Athi yebo ngilalele.
Thank you, sir. Now the DPP further says to you, Brigadier Kininda, for us to be able to come to this conclusion on what charges should the people that we have decided to indict face at the High Court, we have taken the following into account.
Esathi lapho-ke abantu labo akazi ukuthi abobanike kade bethatha isinqumo noma kade behlezi ngesikhathi bethatha isinqumo lapho-ke besathi bona-ke bese bathatha isinqumo sokuthi ngaphambi kokuthi abasolwa baqhamuke ngaphambi konkosi yenkantolo yile sinqumo esilandelayo abazosithatha.
Number one,
Sokuqala,
we have considered whether we would have a reasonable prospect of success against them when we prosecute them on the charges that we are going to prefer against them.
athi lapho-ke kuwukuthi mhlawumbe kade bengenazo iy'nsolo mhlawumbe noma kade benazo iy'nsolo zokuthi ngabe mhlawumbe kukhona noma akukho yini lokhu ukuthi mhlawumbe bazobathwesa bona ngaphambi ukuthi baqhamuke ngaphambi konkosi yenkantolo noma mhlawumbe amacala ukuthi bazobathwesa wona-ke ngaphambi kokuthi abasolwa baqhamuke ngaphambi konkosi yenkantolo.
I'm following, my lord.
Athi
Thank
yebo
you.
ngilalele.
Number two,
Athi okwesibili,
they say to you, Brigadier Kininda, for us to determine whether we've got any reasonable prospect of successfully prosecuting them, we need to determine whether is there any admissible evidence against them.
athi lapho-ke ngaphambi kokuthi bese babuye bakhuluma nabathi ngaphambi kokuthi bona babathwese-ke amacala kade bezobathwesa bona-ke futhi nangaphambi kokuthi abasola baqhamuke ngaphambi kokusenkantolo bona kade mhlawumbe benakho uyingabaza futhi benakho uyingabaza ogcwele ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe amacala abazowathwesa wona-ke ngabe khona yini ufakazi inkosi enkantolo yokuthi ibamukele phambi kwayo.
I'm following, my lord.
Athi yebo ngilalele.
Whether is there any relevant and admissible evidence against them,
Ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe khona yini into ehambisanayo futhi nofakazi kade bukhona-ke mayelana nabo bonkana abasolo.
whether to have any form of relevant and admissible circumstantial evidence against them,
Futhi nokuthi ngabe khona yini ufakazi kade benabo ufakazi lobo obungaqondile kubo mathupha mayelana nalokho kade bekwenzile futhi nokuthi ngabe kade khona yini ufakazi kade bahambisana futhi nale nkulumo ukuthi yona mayelana namacala wabo noma ufakazi bukhona mayelana ngodaba lwamacala kade bebathwesa wona.
whether,
Understand, my lord.
Athi yebo ngiyazwisisa.
thank you, whether in view of what you presented to us, are there any possible defenses to the charges that you are going to prefer against them?
Futhi ukuthi mayelana namacala noma ipresentation kade uyimikise kubona ukuthi ngabe mhlambi kubona abasolake bayokhona ukuthi bayimele mhlawumbe ukuthi bayikhulumele mayelana nalamacala kade owamikise mhlawumbe mayelana nepresentation le kade uyimikisile kwithimba lehhovisi labashushisi.
I'm listening, my lord.
Athi yebo ngilalele.
Thank you. Now, I can't remember these other factors, for obvious reasons, but the list goes on and on and on and on and on. That is called a decision-making process by the DPP or by a prosecution.
Athi akanaso isiqiniseko sokuthi ngabe khona futhi amanye awakhumbulayo amaphuzu lapho-ke kepha-ke amaphuzu lawo-ke maningi futhi adwebile lapho-ke ngokusalana emuva kepha kathi iwona-ke amaphuzu abavame ukuthi ithimba labashushisi abakhulu ngaphambi ukuthi bathathe isinqumo sokuthi bathwesa-ke abasolwa amacala kumele ukuthi bawabuke futhi wabukisise kahle ngokujulile futhi ngokuqondile.
As it pleases the court, my lord, it totally skipped my mind that we should have a short break, a tea time. I'm alerted that it's almost 1:45 now, and we haven't had a tea time.
Continue, sir.
Should I continue, my lord? I'm a bit tired, my lord. I can't continue. I'm a bit tired. I also need to take a break as well. I just need to go and refresh. I'm a bit tired, my lord. I need a sip of water.
Yeah, continue up to 1 o'clock.
For the 15 minutes,
Yeah.
I can only pray that I don't collapse, my lord. Thank you, Brigadier. Now, the office of the DPP says to you, Brigadier, those are the factors that we have taken into account in determining the nature of the charges that you are going to prefer against these people that we have decided to indict.
Athi lapho-ke ithimba lehhovisi labashushisi abakhulu bayakutshela-ke ukuthi wena-ke iwona-ke amaphuzu abasaleke emuva lawo-ke bese bawabukisisa kahle ngaphambi kokuthi athathe isinqumo sokuthi bathwesa abasolwa amacala athize noma abawathwesi amacala athize.
I'm following, my lord.
Athi yebo ngilalele.
And the office of the DPP, Brigadier, says to you, with due respect, Brigadier, we know, we understand that you undertook a very tedious investigation in this case. You did your job in a sterling way. There's no doubt about it.
Athi futhi-ke ithimba lehhovisi abashushisi abakhulu bayitshela bona-ke abayingabazi mayelana nomsebenzi owenzile wena mnumzane uGininda ngoba uwenzise kahle futhi umsebenzi futhi ngokukhethekile futhi wawenza umsebenzi ngokuyimisela ngokuba nomdlondlo futhi ngesikhathi wenza umsebenzi wakho wokusesha kwecala.
You made a wonderful presentation in terms of your memory and your investigation. It's applauded.
Athi lapho-ke futhi wakushayela-ke izandla ngokuthi wena-ke wenze umsebenzi oncomekayo noma umsebenzi okahle-ke mayelana nokusesha kwecala futhi mayelana nodaba lwakho le-memorandum ngesikhathi bupresenta i-memorandum yakho.
Brigadier Gininda, we are well aware Now that is what those, now this is what those three esteemed team of prosecutors said on behalf of the office of the DPP. Remember, the office of the DPP operates in terms of the instrumentality of the advocates. Ne? So now these three esteemed advocates are then saying to you, Brigadier Kininda, we're also well aware that in your motivation, in your investigation, you had to try to come up with a suggestion that this could be a hit, this could be a hired killing, contract killing. We have seen that. You have also taken into account that which you have submitted to us in respect of that fact when we made this decision.
Athi yona ke ubona ke labantu abathathu mhlawumbe abashushisa abakhulu ngokuyikhundla zabo ke abathathu lapho ke noma bethatha isinqumo sabo bese batshela ukuthi ukhumbula khona njalo ke njengalaba abahlezi phambi kwenkantolo labashushisi njengokuthi bayithimba ke lapho ke bese batshela ukuthi bona ke lokushona kukamufi lapho ke basho khona ukuthi kade kuyinto behlelelwe phansi bese bazwana ke ngayo ngaphambi kokuthi umufi adutshulwe.
I'm listening, my lord. Sorry.
Thank you.
Athi yebo ngilalele.
However, Brigadier Kininda, we are unable to agree with you that this was a contractual killing.
Kepha ke bathi kuwena ke bona ke abavumelani nawe noma abahambisani nenkulumo yakho ukuthi wena ke uthize ukudubula lokho kade kudutshulwa komuntu oyedwa ngemuva ukuthi abantu ababili noma abantu abathathu kade behlanganele bese bazwana ngalokho.
Thank you.
That's a good piece, man. I know council is just arguing maybe loudly, but the fact of the matter is murder. What the motive for the murder is irrelevant. So we submit, my lord, that that's a legal question. It's even if council is arguing lightly to put something that is incorrect as to the motive, because he's now busy with the motive for the murder. Murder is unlawful and intentional killing of a human being. What the motive, therefore, is, is irrelevant. So we submit, my lord, that it's incorrect to make the proposition to the witness that it was not taken into account that the witness suggested that this is a contractual killing. That's a legal question, my lord.
But, yeah, sorry, let me just ask the Brigadier. Does the Director of Public Prosecutions discuss strategy with you
No, my lord.
as an arresting officer or an investigating officer?
Not in details, my lord, but they will indicate, for example, that let us approach probably especially after the decision has been made, to say let's start it this way and then we'll move that way, but not in depth. You are more on the receiving end because you are not part of the decision making, but you will get an instance like in this instance where that says a certain strategy will be adopted when we deal with Ms. Kelly Kumalo. So, but not the details, but such came to my ears, my lord.
Kade ke akungabathi umshushiso omkhulu malana nenkulumo le kade umiliyoni eqhambisa noma kade ekhuluma ayitshela ke ufakazi okhona ababugini indaba ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo ke athi udaba ukuthi mhlambe lapho ke ummelweni mhlambe kumele ukuthi aqhamukise uma ngabe sebesenza ke ingxoxo ngaphakathi kwengxoxo lapho kwathi argument ke ngesingisi ke ngoba ke ufakazi una akena umuntu ongabaselungelweni lokuthi aphefumule malana nodaba ke bese inkosi enkantolo yabuya ke yabuza yona ukuthi noma yebo ukuthi lapho ke ukuthi lokudutshula komuntu ngabe mhlawumbe ukudutshula komuntu ede bekuhlele phansi bese bazwana ke ayithimba abantu ababili futhi ukubheka phezulu khona njalo ke ngesikhathi kade uthatha isinqumo sokuthi ke lo muntu nakwabulawa ke lapho ke usho ngesingisi bathi contractual killing leyo nto lesho ukuthi lapho ke abantu ababili noma abathathu babehlanganele endaweni eyodwa bese bazwana ke inkulumo yabo ukuthi kumele benze udaba kumele balenzeke bese inkosi enkantolo iyabuza ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe ke ubaba uGininda ke noma mhlawumbe sithi ecala noma iphoyisa elibophile ke lapho ke abasolwa ke uma ngaba isinqumo bethatha ke isinqumo ethimba labashushisi ngabe uvame ukuthi abe khona ke lapho ke athina cha akavamile ukuthi abe khona ke yena kuyafana nje nokuthi yena kuwumuntu usuke amukela lokho akutholayo kibo abashushisi lapho ke noma ngemuva kwalokho bese bamtshela ukuthi lapho ke yilolu hlangothi esizolihamba ke soqala ngalana ke masiqeda ngalana bese sihamba lolu uhlangothi olulandelayo.
Can you adjourn until 2 o'clock.
As it please the court, madam.
Yeah, Rashid.